In this question, it says the diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of a rectangle with 25 degree. We have to find the acute angle between the diagonal. More clarity will come as you draw the figure. Now let's say it's a rectangle here and I'll draw its diagonal. Since we have to find the angle between the diagonals, we'll draw both the diagonals. And I name this as say ABCD. Now what we are given that the angle, right, the one diagonal, let's say AC or BD, any one of them, is inclined to one of its side with an angle of 25 degree. I can take this angle. You may take this or this. So these are the angles which are inclined with one of its sides. So I take this angle as say 25 degree. Further, we know that O is the point of intersection of diagonals. Then what do we have to determine is the acute angle between the diagonals. That means either you find this or this. As it is clear from the figure, this is obtuse. We have to get the acute angle. So either we will get the value of this or this is all same. Now what you can do here, we are going to use the property of rectangle that diagonals of rectangle are equal. So AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD and they bisect each other. Therefore, half of AC is equal to half of BD implies half of AC I can write OC and half of OC, right? This. And half of BD I can write OD. Now we can apply isosceles property in this triangle. That is the triangle here is this one. In this triangle, you can see that when here two sides are equal, then their opposite angles should also be equal. That means that is angle opposite to OC, right? Opposite to OC is this angle. That is angle ODC should be equal to this angle. And that is how much? Should be 25 and is OCD. Since it is an MCQ, you can straight away write here the values. Now we have to determine this angle. Let's say if I find out, I can see that this is an exterior angle of this triangle, right? So this angle, that is angle AOD I'm talking about. AOD, as you know, exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So it should be 25 plus 25, that is equal to 50 degrees, should be the value of this. So if it comes as a subjective, you have to draw the figure and you have to do all steps. Otherwise, you can do it just by calculating their values.